shares of AMC swinging to the upside as preferred equity units take a tumble after a U.S. court denies the theater chain's request to lift a status quo order, thus leaving AMC unable to start a series of transactions to convert its preferred equity unit to common stock. And we've been following this saga for quite some time, and a lot of thoughts coming into this decision was that it was just going to be rubber stamped, but that is not the case here. The shareholder motion that would have allowed this event, that took place. They got the votes they needed, so the shareholders are okay with this, but the judge is saying that no, we don't have, at least according to the way he sees it or saw it, didn't have the evidence there to fall in line with what he was expecting.
You know, this has been a fascinating company to track, of course, not just for the meme stock craze and frenzy that had taken place and really pushed AMC to the throes of the dinner table conversation alongside GameStop, GME, a ticker symbol that grandmothers were probably out there printing on hoodies after a certain amount of time, given the fanfare that was taking place around all of these names. But at the end of the day, there's kind of two different frames to think about how management has gone through this. And on one side, you want to say, yeah, they were getting creative. They were trying to get cozier with this particular cohort of investors, this retail trader that might have more of a propensity to say, you know what? Not only do we believe in the business enough to try and invest in it and try and, just squeeze the shorts out to a certain extent as well. But now for that investor specifically, trying to cozy up and say, all right, we're going to create more opportunities for you to be an exclusive shareholder in, the APE shares, or, have some type of tandem offering that we're willing to layer on just to get you into that movie theater experience. And then on the other side, you have to hit on management for also not realizing some of the legal ramifications that take place when you do have such a mass dilution of shares that is being put forth, like the one that took place with the APE mutants as well. Yeah,
sometimes even if investors approve something or allow it, you can't just wish it away with disclosures, and that's the way the industry is run to protect investors putatively.